Suppose we're given this arithmetic series and we're asked to calculate the sum of this arithmetic series. So the only difference between an arithmetic sequence and an arithmetic sequence is that in between the terms for an arithmetic series, they are just plus signs, plus or minus signs in between these numbers. But for a sequence, you see that there are usually colons in between. So that's the main difference, and series is always add to a certain number and sequences don't necessarily add. So in this case, first things first, we need to know what's the sum formula for an arithmetic series. It's given by Sn is equals to n over 2 square brackets 2 times a, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times d, which is your common difference. So n is the number of terms, and we're told that 25 terms, which means we can always say that our n in this case will be equals to 25 terms. So it means we know what our n will be there, and our n will be there, and our n will be there. So we need to find what our a is and what our d is. So our a, as you know, is always our first term of any sequence or series. So our a value is equals to a. It means we know what our a is. So we need to find out what our d value is. What is our d value? It's usually common difference. So we'll construct our tree line of differences. 12 minus 8 will give us 4. 16 minus 12 will give us 4. And 20 minus 16 will give us 4, which means our constant difference is 4. So we found all the unknown values in our formula, so we just substitute and we calculate, which means then the sum 25 terms will be equals to 25 divided by 2 square brackets 2 times your first term, which is 8, plus n, which is 25, minus 1 times the common difference, which is 4. Then we close our brackets, and we punch everything into the calculator, and we should get 1400, meaning that the sum of 25 terms of this series will add up to 1400.